I know niggas crushing beans for energy, they don't do decals. Told her I gave up like Trey and then she went and took the B-pad.
They said they wanted another one. Here it is, alright y'all, look man, I'm coming at y'all with a brand new video. Now today man, I'm gonna be trying exotic snacks. Now look, ain't gonna lie, I ain't too excited about this bro, but I got some stuff I feel like it's gonna be good man. I got some stuff I don't know what it's gonna taste like, and I got some stuff that's gonna make my stomach hurt. But it is what it is man, I'm doing it for y'all man. Now look, ain't gonna lie man, just gonna go ahead and get into it. First off, got this liquid death man, you know we gotta wash everything down with a beverage. Liquid death, sparkling water to be exact. I ain't gonna lie, I don't drink sparkling water. And never mind, we're gonna start with the Sour Patch Kids cold. Yeah, never seen these before. I know these gotta be good man. Shoot boy, y'all ever seen these before? I ain't never seen these before a day in my life. Man, I hope these good, bro. Okay. That's a quality snack right there, man. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. It would say black raspberry or what it tastes like. I can eat these. They not bad. I eat these like a 9 out of 10, 9 out of 10. I definitely see me going to the store just to get these by itself. 9 out of 10 for the Sour Patch cold. Go ahead and wash that down with some liquid death, man. Yo, go ahead and wash it down with liquid death. Okay. Bruh. I don't drink sparkling water, bro. Hold on. Ooh, nah, that's not it. That's not it. Oh God, that's not it. That's it. No, that's not. That is not it. That's not it, bro. That's not it. That's like that's a 4.5, bro. Oh my gosh. Like, maybe I didn't have sugar in my mouth first. Nah, that's not it, bro. Sparkling water, maybe. Bro, if you drink sparkling water, you out bad. I can't lie, bro. That's not it, man. Next, since we on the side of sugar, got the Arizona gummies, man. Now look, I ain't gonna lie. I didn't know Arizona make gummies. I don't even drink Arizona tea, but I know they make gummies, so might as well try the gummy, man. Go ahead and see. Got mucho mango. It's alright. It tastes the mango. Okay. What's your favorite flavor of Arizona? I don't drink Arizona. I don't know what's good. Oh, they shape like little cans. Like, look, bro. That doesn't say Arizona on it. That's hard. Okay. Watermelon. Bro, watermelon don't say like that, bro. Let me try again. It's alright. I'm gonna go out my way to go get them. If somebody has some, I might ask for some though. Yeah, this regular fruit snacks, bro. Man, I was gonna be better than this. Alright, y'all. Okay. Now, I got these right here. Limited time only. Hot Ones Pringles. This is what made me want to try these snacks because I got these Hot Ones Pringles. Now look, bro. It's 9:50 when I'm making this video, PM to be exact. If I don't go to sleep, I'm gonna be highly upset because he's too hot. Look, if y'all ever watch Hot Ones, y'all know Verde, that's a top 10 sauce, man. It's not the hottest sauce, but it's top 10, bro. I don't even know. Open it, bro. Okay. Smell test real quick. Let me see. Oh nah, I can't eat this, bro. I can't eat this, bruh. Las Cadientes Verde. All right, how many y'all think I can eat, bro? Y'all count down on low. How many y'all think I'm gonna eat? I'm gonna try to eat 5. I'm gonna try to eat 5. I don't really eat hot. I don't even eat hot chips, bro. I really don't, bro. So we're gonna try this, man. I just looked at my whole tongue is on fire right now. How many I said I was gonna eat? Scratch that. I'm eating 3. Shoot, I really want to eat 1. Bro, oh my. Let me get some of this, bro. Oh, no. What the world was that? Bro, throw this. Bro, who made this, bro? Whoever made this, they need their heads, man. I'm never drinking this again, ever. The sparkling one. Nah, I got the white can. It's regular water, mountain water. I'll drink that one because it just tastes like regular water. But this spring water, sparkling water, can't do it. Can't do it, bro. Oh, I'm gonna pour that out after the video. Oh shoot, bro. I don't want to eat this chip, bro. Dang. Dang, bro, that junk burn, bro. I still feel it. It ain't worse than the bomb, though. It ain't worse than the bomb, and it ain't worse than the hottest chip in the world. I guarantee. I'd rather eat 10 of these than eat the hottest chip, boy. That's shoot, boy. I'm eating one. I'll eat one, bro. I'll eat one pretty big. Shoot, hold on. Alright, y'all, I'm back with the milk, boy, because I'm coming prepared this time. This is not the one chip challenge. Nope. I will just be drinking milk as soon as I eat this. On God, I will. Okay. Y'all ready? Y'all like the video, man. Y'all. It's Vidmas, man. I'm doing this for y'all, man. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Man, that weak little Pringle, boy, I ain't know, man. I ain't jumping out even hot for real, man. Stop playing. Oh, my bad. I ain't nothing. Stop playing, man. This Pringle weak, bro. I'll demolish this whole can. Stop playing. If y'all want to see me eat the whole can, y'all comment that down below. It's not even hot. How they say in Spanish, delicioso. Indeed. Stop playing. Sweet. Boy. Man, these supposed to be hot. I need this sauce though. If I made this sauce with some chicken, oh yeah, that would be the bomb. That would be good, man. I eat the whole can, bro, for real. Look. Nah, it's actually good though, bro. Like, I actually bought this sauce. Not good. That's quality chip. Not a quality chip. Can't lie. It's quality chip. I don't need that. I'll drink it. I'm not drinking this no more. On God, I won't. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the exotic snacks, man. Yep. We'll be eating some more of these though. Now let me get the spice out of my mouth before I eat that. But it's a little spicy though. It ain't that spicy. Like, man, what? I ain't got no worry, man. I'm gonna go to sleep peacefully. Wake up. I'm gonna be perfectly fine. I don't gotta use the bathroom. None of that, man. Hey, y'all go try these, bro, for real. These quality snacks, but just trying to pad that run time, you know what I'm saying? Let the clock go up. Now let me stop. But yeah, I don't know what day this is of Vidmas, but I know y'all enjoying the Vidmas, man. Stop playing, man. But look, I ain't gonna lie though, that's in the video. But before I leave, I need y'all to do 3 things for me. I need y'all to like, I need you to subscribe, and you should tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these songs. Cause you like it, I know they gonna love it, man. Come on, this is just the beginning, man. Stop playing, bro. Yeah, with that being said, play my music.
Yeah, I'm finna go harder and harder again and again. Do that with a friend. I feel like my guy ain't talking my pants. I saw him, he saw me, I ain't seen him since. You stay with the us, you inside the fence. We working like slaves, you watching you rent. We letting out tens, it's getting the tens.